Hello everyone, welcome to lluillui channel. Today, I'd like to show you guys my favorite makeup look that I like to do during summer. To start, I'm going to apply Etude House Fix and Fix Primer Purple Toner Cream to correct my yellow tone. I'm going to apply it using the wet lluillui makeup sponge. Next, I'm using the NARS Concealer Custard Color to cover the dark circles under my eyes and corner of my nose. Once again, I'm using my wet lluillui makeup sponge to blend evenly on my skin. For my foundations, I mix Estee Lauder Double Wear and Giorgio Armani Silk UV Foundation. I like to mix these two foundations and apply them when I want to have that perfect blemish cover. After the foundation, I use one tone brighter than my skin color concealer and apply it on my nose, forehead, chin, and lastly corner of my nose. It's like a highlight effect, giving more three-dimensional effect on my face look. To settle my foundation and concealer, I'm going to use lluillui Blush Brush number 301 to apply the setting powder lightly on my face. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use Benefit Brow Pencil number 2. After my eyebrows, I'm using lluillui eyeshadow blending brush number 204 to apply innisfree No-Sebum Mineral Powder to control the excess amount of oil around my eyes before applying eyeshadows. I am applying Bobbi Brown Toast eyeshadow color first using lluillui Angle Shader Brush number 205. After that, I'm applying same color under my eyes using lluillui eyeshadow brush number 207. Using lluillui pencil brush number 208, I'm applying Bobbi Brown Burnt Sugar Color eyeshadow on the outer corner of my both eyelids and blend nicely with the blending brush number 204. my eyes, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown Sparkle Eyeshadow Baby Peach color with my index finger. I used my finger to apply it because it gives a more natural look. I'm also going to apply a little bit under my eyes too. After eyeshadows, I'm going to use Tony Moly Black Gel Eyeliner close to the eyelids using lluillui Flat Definer Brush number 241. The brush has a firm and straight edge tip that can apply eyeliner very easily for instant definition of the eyes. Anyone who's new to eyeliner brush can also use this brush very easily. Natural Lash Black color number 110. I love to use this lash because it's very natural. To hide the lash glue line, I'm going to use Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, black color on my inner eyes. Even though it's a lip brush, I recommend using this brush to apply liquid texture products. I'm going to apply small amount of glitters under my eyes using MAC Liquid Dazzle Shadow Diamond Crumble using lluillui Lip Brush number 401. For my cheek, I'm going to use MAC Powder Blush Melba color on both sides of my cheeks with lluillui Blush Brush number 301. Just to give a little light peach look, I'm going to add a Bobbi Brown Toast color on top of my cheeks. For my contouring my face, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, around my forehead, and under my chin with MAC Bronzing Powder Refined Golden color using lluillui Powder Contour Brush 181. Also, I'm using the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin with lluillui Blending Brush number 204 around my nose and under my lips for more precise contouring makeup. For my lips, I'm going to apply Pearl Ink Velvet number 2. I'm going to blend the tint with my index finger to get the full gradation color on my lips. Lastly, I'm using the Laura Mercier Highlight number 1 with lluillui Fan Brush number 152 to highlight my cheeks, nose, chin, and forehead. I'm now ready to go out. See you next time. Thank you everyone for watching my makeup tutorial video. I'm now ready to go out. See you next time.